Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Opendoor Rentals for property management steps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Opendoor Rentals website. Look for the Get Started button on the home page and click it. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in your first name and last name in the provided fields. Enter a valid email address that you frequently use. Create a strong password that meets the specified requirements. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated box. Review the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click the Sign Up button to proceed with your registration. You will receive a confirmation email at the address you provided. Open the email and click on the verification link inside. Once verified, return to the Opendoor Rentals website. Log in using your email address and the password you created. Navigate to the dashboard where you can manage your properties. Select the option to add a new property for management. Input all the required property details, including address and specifications. Upload any necessary documents or images related to the property. Review the information you entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to finalize the listing. You may need to wait for approval from Opendoor Rentals. After approval, you can access additional features for property management. Monitor your property's status and make necessary adjustments as needed. Explore tools available for tenant communication and maintenance requests. Stay updated with reporting and analytics offered by the platform. Enjoy seamless property management with Opendoor Rentals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.